In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size on the Notion app. If you're finding the text on Notion just a little too small for comfort, I've got a straightforward way to make it more readable. Whether you're working on notes, planning your next big project, or organizing your tasks, having text at a size that's comfortable for your eyes is important. So let's get right into it. First things first, open up your Notion app. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll need to download it from your app store or access it directly through your web browser. Once you're in, navigate to your desired page. This could be a page that you're currently working on or one that contains information you want to revisit with a larger font, whatever suits your needs. Next, ensure you're on the right page where you want to make these changes. It's important to select the correct page, as this is where you'll be adjusting the text size to your liking. Having the wrong page open might mean you're adjusting something you didn't intend to, so take a moment to confirm you're in the right spot. Now, let's get to the text. You're going to highlight the text where you want to change the font size. Simply click and drag over the text to select it. This could be a single word, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph. This selection is crucial because whatever you highlight is what will be altered. So if you're changing just a header or a specific section, make sure your selection is precise. Once your text is highlighted, you'll notice an arrow beside the text. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will pull up a menu with a variety of formatting options. What we're interested in is the option related to fonts. In this menu, you'll have options to change not just the size, but also other aspects like style or even the font type. Notion really does give you the flexibility to customize your content just the way you need it. Select the font size that's right for you. Now, while there may not be specific numerical values for the font sizes like in other applications, exploring these options will help you find a size that's ideal for your readability. Take a moment to try out a few sizes if needed to see what feels comfortable. And there you have it. Your text should now appear larger and much easier to read. Adjusting your font size on Notion is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can create a more comfortable and efficient working environment on Notion, tailored perfectly to your needs. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, happy note-taking.